Unlock the full power of machining with SolidWorks Mill Turn Premium. Accelerate your NC programming with precision, automation, and platform-connected efficiency. SolidWorks Mill Turn Premium offers a unified programming environment, enabling turning and milling in a single setup, reducing cycle time and improving accuracy. Automate repetitive tasks with intelligent feature recognition and customizable templates. Focus on value-added strategies, not manual rework. Validate your programs before they hit the shop floor with full machine simulation and collision detection, minimizing risk and maximizing uptime. Collaborate seamlessly across teams with the 3D Experience platform. From design to execution, ensure traceability and control at every step. Transform your machining operations. Discover how SolidWorks Mill Turn Premium drives precision, efficiency, and digital continuity from part design to production.